right, so we're gonna program it right now to go certain times. All right, you got a clock, and then we want it to do all cycles, so we're gonna do everything up and down right now, and we're gonna put it in the water, and it's gonna start automatically. So let's do that. Okay, after a while, look at this, automatically I left in the wall. Pool. We're gonna put it on an above ground pool on this one to see if it's compatible with it. All right, first things first, we're gonna get the machine turned on first. All right, in front of it, it's telling you what settings you have. Right now it's down. Right now we're gonna do the bottom part already. So all we gotta do is turn this on once, and now all we have to do is throw it in the pool. So once we hit the on button, let it run, and you're gonna see it activate itself. All right, and it's gonna start organizing itself, making sure that it's not going to hit any of the corners, and then we'll see some more action going. There it goes. So right now I'm able to control it from here. Right now I connected to my Wi-Fi and the actual system, and it's Bluetooth enabled from here. So we're going to go into the system itself, and from here you can actually control it. You could tell it exactly what to do. You could do the turbo, floor only, work time, and start time. All right, so right now we could change this. We could go walls and floor, and then we could do walls and waterline only, and then full coverage. All right, we can do the full coverage of one, that's an option, but you could change floors only here. You could do the turbo is going to be a little faster. Runtime, set up the modes, pretty much everything from the actual phone, not only from the actual app too, but you do it from pretty much anywhere. You go remote control. In case you're not home and you have plenty of life battery on it, you can even start it up on there. So that's another great option to have. So very simple out of the box. We set it up, we clean up the pool, it looks great. We can't see any lines no more. It did a great job. So if you're going to do for above ground or in-ground pools, this is a great item to have. So hope you guys enjoy this video.